Good morning, idiots. We are today at the 1AF shooting range to establish your ability to film prominent First Amendment targets. You will be given 5 minutes to shoot as much footage as possible, and we will review this back at camp. Carry on. What was that supposed to be? You showed no signs of harassment towards any of the targets. Footage of your mother's armpit would have been more interesting.
I have that footage.
Fail. This video is worse than a Disney remake, but you did manage to identify the objective. Pass. You complete douche canoe. You recorded 5 minutes of your feet, you dumbass. Fail. Now this is exceptional. You found the weakest target and immediately arrested him with your camera. Pass. Those who failed need to pack your bags and retreat to the comfort of your mother's basement. Everyone else, well done, idiots.